Freecash and Bingo Cash both let users earn rewards through mobile activities, but they work in different ways and are designed for different types of users. By the end, you'll know how Freecash and Bingo Cash compare, what each platform focuses on, and which one may fit your earning style better. Freecash focuses on completing different types of earning activities, including offers, surveys, and other tasks available through the platform. Bingo Cash focuses on cash prize bingo-style games where users compete in gameplay-based challenges. The biggest difference is the way you earn. Freecash users choose from available tasks and complete requirements to earn rewards. Bingo Cash users spend time playing bingo games and competing based on game results. If you prefer completing online tasks, surveys, and offer-based activities, Freecash may feel more flexible because you can choose from different options. If you enjoy competitive mobile games and want an app centered around bingo gameplay, Bingo Cash may match your interests better. With Freecash, always read the offer requirements before starting a task. Some activities require specific steps, and missing a requirement can prevent you from receiving credit. With Bingo Cash, focus on understanding the game rules before entering competitions. The results depend on your gameplay performance. Another difference is control. Freecash gives you more choice over which offers you attempt, while Bingo Cash is based around playing a specific type of game. Your choice depends on what you want from an earning app. Choose Freecash if you prefer completing tasks, checking different opportunities, and selecting activities based on your interests. Choose Bingo Cash if you mainly want a gaming experience built around bingo competitions. Neither platform guarantees earnings, and your results depend on the activities available, the time you spend, and how well you follow each platform's rules. Before choosing one, check both apps and compare the available opportunities on your account. The best option is the one that matches the type of activity you are willing to spend time doing. The main points are simple. Freecash is focused on earning through different tasks. Bingo Cash is focused on bingo gameplay, and the better choice depends on whether you prefer tasks or games. Try the platform that matches your style first, and track your experience before spending more time on it. Subscribe for more earning app comparisons, Freecash guides, and mobile reward app reviews. And like the video if this comparison helped you choose between Freecash and Bingo Cash.